Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm taking you to Michael's to look at the vintage Halloween decor that they have, or vintage inspired. My store does not have everything out, but what is out has already been picked over. So I wanted to make this video easy for you guys to shop so you don't miss out on anything that you see. So in the bottom left hand corner, I am putting a number that correlates with the item so that you can go down in the description box and check out that item and shop it if you'd like. So this is item number 1. You can see that little number 1 in the bottom left hand corner. This is item number 2, so on and so forth. So I am just loving this vintage decor. There are other decor lines here at Michael's for Halloween, but this is my favorite, and maybe I'll go back and show you the rest of it, but I wanted to show you this first because I can tell that it's already getting picked over, and I can see why. It is so stinking nostalgic and cute. I am just so obsessed with everything in this collection, and I seriously want it all. The good news is that it's 30% off now. So in my last video, I hauled one thing from this collection that's no longer here at the store. It sold out, so you can check out that video down below. I only got 20% off, so now it is 30 and soon it will be 40. How cute are these little box signs with the little shelf sitters? I love that vintage cat. I'm not really doing a cat theme, but I just love it. And I think these are really unique pieces. And for my truck lovers, how adorable with all the cats sitting in this truck. I just can't take it, you guys. You have to let me know what you think of this collection down below. So I noticed as I was grabbing the links for these items that there are versions that are not here in the store. So I know that there are 3 pillows, not just these 2. And so I have this decor collection linked down below. It's the first link. It's called Hocus Pocus, so that you can check out everything, because there's things that are not in this store. There are multiples of items that are not in the store either. And look at this jack-o'-lantern. Oh my gosh, he looks like he could come straight from the thrift store. I love that. I also love these little cats. They remind me of Sabrina the Teenage Witch, her cat Salem. I know you guys all know what I'm talking about, or at least if you're born in the 90s or earlier, then you do. I thought these guys were just so cute. However, I could not find them online. I was bummed out because I just love these. I have a feeling there's a third one as well. And this was one of my favorite things in the entire collection, this luminary with the witch hat and the little bat detail. I love that. I can't get over it. I think this one is really cute too. The 2 of them would be really nice next to each other on Halloween night in your entryway for the trick-or-treaters. These little signs are perfect for tiered trays. This one is my favorite, trick or treat with the candy corn, because you guys know I've picked up some candy corn items to decorate in my dining room. I also like this one that says trick or treat, wipe your feet. I like how it looks vintage because it's like roughed up around the edges, and this is only $6. I shouldn't say only, but I think that's a fair price once it goes on sale. There are just tons of signs that you'll see throughout this video that I think you guys will love. And I was so excited to see this Halloween bottle brush tree. If you've watched my previous videos, then you may have seen that I picked up a candy corn themed bottle brush tree from the at-home store. So I really love that. And I think these little tiny copper jack-o'-lanterns are so cute. They remind me of something that could come from Dollar Tree though. And I love this guy, his little wiggly arms. I love this stuff. And I know there are a couple other versions of him online. There's 2 other ones, maybe a skeleton and a jack-o'-lantern man. So like I said, make sure you check out the entire collection down below. I saw that this comes in 2 colors online, but my store only had the black version. And this Hocus Pocus sign is adorable, and which better have my candy? I think we all love that quote. So I was happy to see that come back this year. These were some of my favorite signs though. I love these. They're little easels, but they have like a kickstand in the back. So it's not truly an easel, but I thought these were a decent price, especially when they go on sale, because things like this cost a lot more at even a place like Big Lots. But my favorite version is this black one with the moon and the jack-o'-lantern and the cats. I just love how everything pops off of that sign. I love these shelf sitters. I think they're so fun. They have so much detail as well. It's honestly crazy how much detail these have, and they'd be perfect for a tiered tray. But if you have a bigger space, they have a larger version. These ones have beaded legs that are adorable. I love how this cat one has kind of a Harlequin sort of print on the shirt, and I also like how they've done a few of their pieces with the book page print. I think that's really cute. And then these guys, they look like they're modeling for the gram. They're also very cute. This one's holding a candy corn, and there's also a cat version that would go really well with these other 2 cats beside it, and he's holding a jack-o'-lantern. So I saved what I think most people's favorite item will be for last, which is this Hocus Pocus sign. How amazing is this? She is online, so I have her link down below, and that is everything that my store had out. Like I said, they didn't have everything, but it's already picked over, so I definitely encourage you guys to shop online and do pick up in store or just ship to your house, and that way you'll be able to get everything you want. So thank you guys so much for spending some time with me in today's video, and I hope to see you in a future one. Bye now.